Picture this: crystal clear mornings on deck, zero hangovers, and adventures you actually remember. But is the alcohol-free dry cruising trend sweeping 2026 a game changer for wellness or a total buzzkill for fun? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we dive deep into travel trends, cruise tips, and everything that makes sailing unforgettable. Or in this case, maybe a little too sober. Today, we're talking about 2026's dry cruising trend, sailing without alcohol. With more people opting for health-focused vacations, cruise lines are rolling out zero-proof options like never before. But is it all perks, like better sleep and savings, or a buzzkill without the buzz? To explore this, let's count down the top 10 banned items on most major cruise ships, starting with everyday surprises and building to the big one tying into our trend. For each, I'll explain what it is and why it's banned so you can pack smart and avoid any drama at embarkation. Number 10. Extension cords and power strips. These are those multi-outlet surge protectors you might bring to charge all your devices. Why banned? Fire hazards central. Cruise ships have strict electrical systems to prevent overloads and potential blazes at sea. Stick to USB hubs or the cabin's built-in outlets instead. Number 9. Candles and incense. Any open flame items like scented candles or incense sticks for that Zen vibe. Why banned? Again, massive fire risk on a floating hotel packed with people. Cruise lines provide mood lighting and air fresheners, so leave the flames at home. Those cool flying cameras for epic aerial shots of the ship or ports. Why banned? Privacy concerns for other passengers, plus safety issues like interfering with navigation or falling into the ocean. Some lines allow them in ports only, but check ahead. Number 7. Hoverboards and self-balancing scooters. Battery-powered boards or scooters for zipping around the deck. Why banned? Lithium batteries can overheat and catch fire, and they're a tripping hazard in crowded areas. Walk or use the ship's shuttles. It's safer for everyone. Oils, gummies, or creams containing CBD, even if legal at home. Why banned? Varying international laws in ports, plus cruise lines' zero tolerance for anything cannabis-related to avoid legal headaches. Opt for approved pain relievers from the onboard shop. Number 5. Laser pointers. Those little red dot gadgets, often used in presentations or as toys. Why banned? They can distract pilots or ship crew, pose eye safety risks, and have been misused as weapons. Not worth the confiscation. Leave them for land-based fun. Number 4. Handcuffs and restraining devices. Any type of cuffs or restraints, even novelty ones. Why banned? Safety and security reasons. They could be seen as weapons or used inappropriately, violating conduct policies. Cruise ships prioritize a family-friendly environment. Number 3. Hookahs and water pipes. Smoking devices like hookahs or elaborate pipes. Why banned? Health and fire risks, plus they fall under no smoking policies in cabins. Designated smoking areas are for cigarettes only, and many ships are going smoke-free anyway. Number 2. Smart glasses. Wearable tech like Meta glasses with cameras. Why banned? Privacy invasion in sensitive areas like casinos, spas, or restrooms. Cruise lines updated rules in 2026 to restrict them. You can bring them, but not wear them everywhere. Number 1. Excess alcohol, and in dry cruising, all alcohol. Bottles of hard liquor, beer, or more than the allowed wine or champagne, usually 1 per adult. Why banned? To control onboard consumption for safety, prevent overindulgence, and boost revenue from bars. In the dry cruising trend, alcohol is fully banned by choice or ship policy for sober sailings, leading to perks like no hangovers, but potentially a buzzkill for party lovers. Lines like Virgin Voyages and Celebrity are expanding mocktail menus, so it's easier than ever to go dry. There you have it, the countdown of banned items that could ruin your embarkation day. In the context of dry cruising, banning alcohol shifts the focus to wellness activities, mocktail bars, and clear-headed adventures. Perks include saving hundreds on drink packages, non-alcoholic ones are cheaper at $25 to $35 a day, more energy for excursions, better sleep without the spins, and authentic connections without the liquid courage. But buzzkills, some miss the social lubricant, face FOMO from boozy events, or find limited options in ports. Overall, with 77% of Gen Z preferring sober trips per recent reports, it's a real trend worth trying. So, is 2026's dry cruising trend real perks or total buzzkill? It depends on your vibe. If you're all about health and clarity, it's a win. If you love unwinding with a cocktail, maybe stick to traditional sailings. Either way, cruising sober is on the rise, with lines like Royal Caribbean and Holland America making it seamless. What do you think? Would you try a dry cruise? Drop your thoughts in the comments, like if this helped your packing list, and subscribe for more travel trends. Hit that bell for notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe sails!